everyone, this is Suhani Mendonça on behalf of Global TV and Dimensions. I'm here having a tete-a-tete with the lovely Bestie. And now she's my bestie too. Bestie Rubin. Bestie, welcome.
Thank you so much. It's such a privilege talking to you once again. I keep seeing Suhani on many forums, always inspired by the wonderful personality.
So, Bestie, you need to tell us and tell our viewers what is it that you do. I know you do a lot into communications, but please do let our viewers.
Yes, so that's the word communication. Whether it is communicating in language, whether it is expressing your thoughts and standing up for what is right. Whether it is for your personal safety or whether it is for others who may not be able to stand up for themselves.
Correct.
That is what I help people with.
Right.
So I started with English, teaching English as a language to people of all walks of life. And then I diversified to teaching and training people in POSH and POXO, which is women and child safety.
Right.
So I advocate for child rights a lot, especially in the Palghar region.
Oh, yes, that's wonderful. So, right, as you said, that, you train people into communicating. Communicating is basically expressing yourselves, right? So, what is it that triggered you, right from communication to getting into POSH and on helping women and children? What was that trigger?
It's a very wonderful question because as a language trainer, I could just go on and on with what I was doing. But when I understood that people don't just need language, but they need a voice of their own and more awareness into what exactly is their constitutional right. So I did it more by using my creator skills, which is music locally. So I make songs and jingles for young children about confidence, about life. My song Ek Life is on YouTube, which has around 26,000 views.
Wow.
Which was viewed by many students in many schools all around the country. And so I do this primarily because knowing and being aware about your safety, about who you are. Only if you are aware about yourself can you manage your emotions. And if I know how to deal, then I can lead. Yeah, so that is how
Team lead. Perfect. That's wonderful. So tell me something, Bestie. I am definitely going to make you sing one line of your song, which is on YouTube. But today, come here, at the women's edit of Dimensions and getting this award.
Yes, absolutely.
How was it? How did it feel?
This was an absolute surprise. And I knew that I'm nominated, but I didn't expect this because there are absolutely wonderful women on this podium and each one doing an amazing job, very passionately, very close to their heart. And I got to meet some award winners, like, a man who has won the Padma Shri Award. And I got to hear amazing stories, your women, which speaks a lot about us women. That we don't just do things for, like say, awards or for recognition, but we do it because that's the true essence of being a woman. We give. And we love to give. And we have a lot to give. We have a lot of love to share. We have a lot of knowledge to gain. We have a lot to give to those whom we love and beyond. So I love that as women, we are not just limited. Attending to this event today, conducted by Dimensions, I got to know that they are not alone. So I'm not alone. Sometimes when I go for my trainings really far, I go alone. And I think I have to, do a lot of work alone, but receiving this award and being here among all these wonderful women, now I know that I'm never alone. And I have this group of wonderful women supporting me
From Dimensions.
Yes, from Dimensions. Yes, amazing experience.
So please sing us one line of your song.
Yes. The chorus is, तेरे मेरे रास्ते हैं टूटी फूटी राहें है ये इसमें कैसे जीत सीधा सादा.
Thank you so much. This is Suhani Mendonça signing off with the lovely Bestie Rubin.
Thank you.
you.